The best hedge shears gardening tools with buying guide. Outgrown hedges can spoil the look of your household hedges. That's when you need the best hedge shear to make them look neat and organized. Be it the overgrown bushes or the outward branches, hedge shears can help you tame your garden from going wild. Also, they are the most practical and inexpensive gardening tool that you may find to give a makeover to your garden space. However, the market has several choices with different features and prices. Scroll through our list of the best hedge shears and pick the one that fits your needs. Number 1. Fiskars Power Lever 8-inch Hedge Shears. Fiskars hedge shears come with compound lever technology that enhances your ability to cut or trim trees and shrubs with minimal effort. Made with precision ground steel blades, this pair of shears features a self-sharpening blade that ensures a clean and crisp cut each time. It comes with a low-friction coating to keep the blade safe from rust. Also, the shock-absorbing bumpers absorb jarring vibrations while you trim, cut, or shear hedges. Heavy-duty steel handles. Non-slip, comfortable grips for optimum control. 8-inch gator blade serrated blades. Comes with power lever technology. Patented self-sharpening blade design. 8-inch blades cut all the way to the tip. Fully hardened precision ground steel blades make clean cuts. Low friction coating helps the blades glide through wood, prevents the blades from gumming up with sap and debris, and helps the blades resist rust. Number 2. Corona HS 3950 Extendable Hedge Shear. The extendable hedge shears from Corona come with handles that measure 15-inch when closed and reach about 26-inch when fully extended. The blades are made of forged high-carbon steel, which lets you cut and trim leaves and twigs without much effort. In addition, the shock-reducing bumper built into the blades reduces fatigue from shoulders and arms when pruning thicker branches. Further, the soft rubber pads on the extendable handles help reduce shock and provide a comfortable grip. Lightweight hedge shears with steel handles. Made of 8.5-inch high-quality forged carbon steel. Pivot bolts for smooth cutting. Suitable for pruning hedges of different shapes and sizes. Limited lifetime warranty. Number 3. Cobalt Hedge Clippers 21-inch Hedge Shears. The 21-inch Cobalt Hedge Shears are lightweight at 1.8 pounds only. The blades are pretty sharp and strong as they are made with forged carbon steel and given an anti-stick coating to provide a smooth cutting experience. Moreover, the wavy design of the blades keeps the twigs from slipping off and helps in giving smooth cuts to your plants without crushing the delicate leaves. Ergonomic design. Shock stop bumpers. Reduce jarring vibrations. Minimum load on wrists and shoulders. Rust-resistant blades. Offers the performance of electric hedge shears. Some special designs of this hedge clippers are made to give you more efficient and pleasant trimming. The ergonomic soft grip handles are non-slip and comfortable enough for extended time trimming with less pain. Shock-absorbing bumper softens jarring vibrations of abrupt stops and reduces wrist and shoulder pain. Number 4. Flora Guard Hedge Shears 23 inches. Flora Guard Hedge trimming shears come with a wavy blade design to let you prune a variety of shrubs with precision. The hedge shears feature sharp carbon steel blades for smooth and crisp cutting. For maximum grip and comfort, the shears come with a rubberized grip. Further, the enhanced shock-absorbing bumper of these heavy-duty hedge shears helps in reducing noise and eliminating jarring vibrations when trimming plants. Enhanced overall holding experience. Fully hardened 9-inch SK5 high-carbon steel blades. Sharp blade for precision cuts. Durable, non-slip handles. Elastic blade knob to loosen or tighten the blades. Our manual hedge trimmer have a shock absorber for reduces noise and vibration during operation. Reduce arm and shoulder fatigue for added comfort and control during big jobs. Number 5. Burger Hedge Shear. The Burger Hedge Shears come with a lightweight wooden handle made of beech wood to keep your palms comfortable. The shears measure 22.44 times 7.48 times 2.56 inches and are lightweight at just 2.27 pounds. The pair of manual hedge shears is designed for professional use with blades made of high-grade steel for force-free pruning of hedges and shrubs. Comes with integrated dampeners. Shock-absorbing mechanism. Self-cleaning shear blades. Stick-free pruning and cutting. Improved durability with matte chrome plating. Corrosion protection. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cobalt products as it will make your life much easier.